You're being asked. A lot of our listeners out there don't know that you have an identical twin sister. So
Lord,
please
here we
tell
go.
us,
Here we go.
how's
again.
that
Okay.
possible?
So I think most of our viewers are smart enough to know that if I have an identical twin sister, that it's medically impossible for us to be identical. So,
Hey, I didn't put the question in there.
oh wait, that was the mailbag question.
That was a mailbag question.
Yeah, okay, well.
Second one that Jordan's asking. There's no last name, and Jordan could be a man or woman. I'm not certain. But
Lord.
they are asking. I just started a new job. How should I handle my employer's retirement plan and benefits?
Well, do it. That's the first thing, and that's the simple answer: is do it, especially if they have a match, right? So earlier today we were talking about a salary of $100,000. So let's just keep with that to make the math easy. So if your company has a match, and let's say they contribute or they match you 100% of the first 6% you put in. So that means they're going to match you 6%. On $100,000, that's $6,000. I mean, the way I look at it, that's part of your pay.
Yeah, free money.
That's free money, right? You can't give us $6,000 and us duplicate or double it overnight.
Sure.
But that's what your 401k is doing. So take that match. It's a part of your salary. Then dig into different options that you have. Not every company, but if you're one of the fortunate few that have a 401k that offers a Roth 401k that has no income limitations, which we can do an episode on that, and Roth contributions has no income limitations, then do it, especially the younger you are, so you can get that compounding interest, that tax-free growth over time. So I appreciate that.
Okay. What about the old 401k? That's the second part of the question that they're asking. What do they do with the old 401k?
Well, of course, as wealth managers, we would say move it over to us. We'll roll it into an IRA so it's not a taxable event. There's no penalties, there's no fees, there's nothing. However, the answer wealth managers don't like that much is some firms will allow you to move an old 401k into your new 401k. That is an option. The reason I would say that that's not the best option is because, like many 401ks, your options of investments are limited. You usually have 20, 30 mutual funds to pick from. If you're working, if your advisor is a fee-only fiduciary, that means that they have to have open architecture to any fiduciary investment out there today. So they're going to have thousands, hundreds of thousands of investments and not just 20 to 30 mutual funds. So I would roll it over into an IRA with your advisor.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Robert.
No, my pleasure. Thank you.
And thank you, everybody, today for listening. We look forward to talking to you next time.